Okay, number 1.
Welcome.
Ka len yuve. Number 2. Hello or hi. Salam or shabay. Number 3.
What? Chabe?
Shabay. Shabay.
Sibai.
Shibai.
Sibai.
No, shabay.
Okay, next.
Shibai he. Shibai. Good morning, which is Janga he baha. No. Janga bahe behe. Janga behe. And number 5.
Jinkapa. Jinkapa.
No.
Jinkapa.
It's not jinkapa.
Jinkapa.
You know,
Jinkapa.
sometimes there is some.
Jinkapa, guys.
Hello,
Hello, Kuki people. Welcome back, everyone. This is your African boys. I'm here with.
Ude zuzu ude cheka mude press muhip eke wahala boy.
Yes. So Sibai, Kalem, Uve, Kuki people.
Nadam
Namo, guys.
Yeah.
Nadam Namo, guys. So guys, we have been reacting to a lot of Kuki music video, and today we are going to check something new. So today we are going to learn few of Kuki, like the common words, the greeting, welcoming, like that. Yeah, so that we can use it also in our music reaction, guys, for communication also. In previous, we just checked about who are the Kuki people. So we came to know Kuki people, like they are the people from Manipur. And Myanmar also, they have people who speak the same language. Myanmar is another country.
Okay.
Yeah, and they have
Which
two.
part? In Asia?
Huh?
Is it in Asia? Myanmar.
Myanmar, yeah, it's in Asia, but they are sharing border with
Same
Kuki
language.
people. Yeah, like 400,000 speak their language. Remaining their Myanmar language.
Okay.
So we'll check it out, guys. Thank you so much for your support to our channel. We really appreciate that.
Thank you
Our
the
prayer
love
for
and
you
support.
guys. We are wishing you all the best, peace, and justice.
Yeah.
And let's go.
Numbers.
Numbers.
Kat, ni,
Kat.
thum, li,
Li,
nga,
Naga,
gu, sagi,
Sagi,
ge, go,
Ko,
som.
Som. Okay.
Okay. We will start with you.
So this is the numbers. We are going to repronounce.
Yeah.
Not repronounce or
We are going to
pronounce again.
pronounce it again.
Yeah. So 1, they call it kat.
Kat.
2, ni.
Mm.
3, tam.
Mm.
4, li.
Mm.
5, ga. 6, gap. 7, sagi. 8, get. It's like English get.
Yeah.
9, ko. 10, som.
Naga,
So we want to see who have the best pronunciation, guys.
You made a lot of mistakes.
Say, so let him
You made a lot of
pronounce
mistakes.
1,
We'll be starting by 1, cat.
kat.
2, ni.
Correct.
3, tam.
Uh-huh.
4, li.
Uh,
5, ga. Naga.
What? Naga or ga?
Naga, because there is n. The n is not silent here.
It's not naga. It's nga.
No.
Nga or
You guys
naga?
did your comments.
Nga or naga?
That's why I said you made a lot of mistakes.
Okay.
So we have number 6, gap.
Gap.
Number 7, sagi.
Sagi.
Number 8, get. Get
Okay.
yourself together. Number
Okay.
9, ko.
Ko.
Number 10, som.
Som.
Yeah.
Som.
So tell us who made it. Who
Okay.
made the point clean?
Yeah. Okay. So now we are going to learn the few words, the greeting and welcoming, guys.
Yeah.
Let's check it.
Let's check it out.
Start.
Greetings and
Greeting
phrases.
and phrases.
Kale move,
Move.
salam,
Salam.
sibai, zinkapa,
Zinkapa.
nihlapa,
Niha.
mangpa, nadam namo, kadam nae, nangla, ikimulo na asote,
Nangla.
namin ipiham.
So we'll be
Okay.
starting with you again.
You this time you start.
No, we'll be starting
No,
with
no,
you.
no.
After you now you
Let's
sing
see.
your man. After
Okay.
you, now you.
You start. You start.
Okay, let us.
Okay, I'll start, okay?
no,
One by
before you
one.
start- before you start, I'll be saying the first
first
five,
one.
the first
The first five.
and
Okay.
you shall the remaining.
Okay.
Okay, number 1,
Welcome.
ka len yuve. Number 2, hello or hi, salam or shabay. Number 3,
What? Chabe?
shabay,
Sibai.
shibai.
Sibai.
No, shabay.
Okay. Next.
Shibai he, shibai. Good morning, which is janga he baha. No. Janga bahe behe. Janga behe. And number 5,
Jinkapa. Jinkapa.
No.
Jinkapa.
It's not jinkapa.
Jinkapa.
You know,
Jinkapa.
sometimes there is some
Jinkapa, guys.
which has silence.
You are this.
Jinkapa.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Jinkapa.
That's what I said. Angge behe. Mang behe.
No,
This one.
is mangpa.
No.
There is a space between that
Behe.
one. First is two words.
It's
Mang
behe.
and
Behe. Nompa.
okay. So you know what is the problem? Yeah, even me. Yeah, like their I here,
Behe.
they have different pronunciation.
Yeah.
It is the word are English, right?
Yeah.
But Kuki pronunciation is different.
The alphabet is
Ah.
hard. The last one.
Like see, how did you pronounce the first one? Welcome.
Kalem Uve.
Kalem Uve. Why you say you Uve? See, there you in English is you, right?
Yeah.
But here they say Uve. That is the different pronunciation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The alphabet are tough.
But you tried.
I
What
did
is
my
the last
best.
one?
Nadam Namo.
I don't know.
No, Nadam Namo. I don't know. I've said it before. But this Nadam Namo. I'm very sure about that one because whenever I do
Nadam
I
Namo.
say it.
Okay. Nadam Namo. Nadam Namo.
Yeah.
Nadam Namo. How are you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am fine. And you? Kadam na
Yeah.
Nangla. Nangla is the best. It's like two words. You can either say this or the other one.
Nangla.
I am fine. Nangla, guys.
Kadam
Nangla.
Kadam
Long
na
time no see.
No talk.
No talk. No,
Yeah, man.
long time miss
You don't
you.
disappear,
Long
oh.
time no see.
You walk waiting no good.
This one is difficult. Kimo.
Let the professional pronunciate
Nuna. Asote. What is your name? Namin.
No, pronunciate this one.
Long time no see, guys. I leave it for you. I don't want. I will never make it here. So, what is your name? Namin Ipiham. Namin Ipiham. Namin Ipiham. Tell me your name, guys. Namin Ipiham. That is it, guys. Thank you so much. And tell us who won, guys. Who won? Comment section below. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you. Don't forget subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
Share this video. Till next time.